Well, basically, we are here today to talk to the governors of Region 6, 7, and 8 as we are going to launch the P20 program. The P20 program is basically a 20 peso rice to be launched through the LGUs of the Region 6, 7, 8 starting next week. Basically, ang mechanics nun, since bumaba na ang world prices at bumaba na rin ang presyo ng bigas in general, yung gap between the 20 pesos and yung current market prices of 32 to 33 pesos sa merkado ay napag-usapan na isi-share yun, yung gap na yun between the national government and yung selected LGUs that will be participating in the program. So kung 13 pesos yung gap, kung 33, maging 20, so 650 ang mag-shoulder will be DA through FTI, the food terminal, and the 650 will be shouldered by the participating LGU.
Sir, sino yung mga beneficiaries dito, sir? May selected beneficiaries ba?
Well, sa ngayon na napag-usapan kanina is yung nandyan yung mga senior citizen, PWD, mga 4Ps, single parent. Then napag-usapan din with the governors na pati yung mga ibang areas na hirap yung mga communities, pwede nilang i-ibenta yun. But sa ngayon nga, we are launching it here because mas maraming ang nangailangan sa mga regions na yun. But of course, ang eventual intention itong programa na ito, once we sort out all the issues logistically and para makita talaga how to operate it, launch it, and manage it, nationwide to eventually.
Is there any specific, like how many kilos lang pwedeng mabili each beneficiary?
Sa ngayon, ang iniisip, dalawang template, isang 5 kilos per week per family and another one will be 10 kilos per week. So kanina, sa ngayon, parang napagkasunduan in essence is 10 kilos per week. So 40 kilos per month.
Hanggang kailan, sir, this program?
This program, the President has actually given the directive. Initially, itong program ng DA was supposed to last for until December. And pwede pang stretch siya hanggang February. But our President has given the directive to the Department of Agriculture to formulate this to be sustainable and ituloy-tuloy hanggang 2028.
First time to, sir, no, dito sa 6, 7, and 8?
Ngayon lang ngayon lang natin i-launch ito. Kaya nag-meeting today.
Why choosing 6, 7, and 8, sir?
It's because, well, yun nga, medyo mas pangit sabihin, but mas kailangan ng tao dito. Tsaka may mga stocks din tayo dito lalo na sa Iloilo. Marami tayong stocks doon. Para ma-release din yung mga stocks doon. Then we have to also move out stocks from other areas kasi the other factor na kailangan din namin gawin ito sa DA is because of talagang punong-puno pa rin ang warehouses ng DA ng bigas at palay.
Secretary, what kind of rice are we going to sell? Locally sourced?
Yes. As mentioned before, meron tayong 300,000 tons pa lang ang stocks natin eh. Ngayon 358 na because harvest season. So marami rin talaga yung stocks natin of palay and rice, no, and the rice equivalent. So we really have to move out and dispose it. That's also the other factor.